Now let's go through all the things you can customize on the overview page of your scraper. Firstly, you'll want to schedule your scraper if your scrape data will be updated. The default schedule is never, but you can change that by going into the edit mode, selecting one of the options from the drop-down menu and hitting save. My data comes out monthly, so I'll schedule it to run once a month. The next most important thing is the status of your scraper. By default, your scrapers are public. This means anyone can view the scraper and edit the code. To prevent people from editing the code, you can set your scraper to protected like so. Now, if you have protected your scraper but want to invite known users to edit your code, you can add another editor by clicking the text and typing in their username, and then selecting them from the list of results. The difference between the types of scrapers means you can let your code go off and take on a life of its own, or you can have it run for you as you need it. Either way, this means the code for every visible scraper on ScraperWiki is reusable. If you can't edit code, but want to use it, you just select copy. The code is copied and pasted into a new editor under your name, but it won't be yours until you save it, so please remember to do so. This is now your piece of code, and then the original is unchanged. The next thing you should do for your scraper is to add a description. You should add a description to your scraper by hitting edit and typing in your description. Adding links to the original data and any other related scrapers will serve you well when you've got a big store of scrapers. If you're scraping as part of a bigger project or for a hackathon event, then use the tags for attaching hashtags or for helping others to find your good work. Just click, type in your hashtag or any tags you'd like to use, hit enter. You can add more, and you can also remove them by hitting the X. Now, if you're loving your data and want to do more with it, you can visualize it by writing a new piece of code that uses the scraper's data as its source. Just hit visualize, choose your language, and code away. That way, everyone will see the original scraper, which has been made from the data. You can embed the visual using the share button above. Now, if you need the data for some hotshot developer work, then catch the next screencast to explore the many ways you can get your data out of ScraperWiki.